Today's Sunday solution, we're going to show you how we use our e-bike to pull our turd toter.
It's time
For another Sunday solution.
Let's go. Poopy cam activated. Here comes my turd toting handsome husband, toting turds.
At your service, your poop hauler.
Go, honey, go.
There she is. I use a couple quick wire ties to hold the hose on, and then a little clevis hook. Put it on there. It's super easy to pull it. I would recommend that you'd be a pretty good e-bike rider to do it, because it's quite a bit of weight. Ours is, I think, I want to say 28 gallon. You figure about 8 pounds a gallon with stuff in there, TP and all that. So you're looking at a couple 100 pounds easy. If you're not a good stable e-bike rider, don't do it. So we'll take you on over to the dump station. I already filled her. I spared you the thought of that, but basically when I come back, I unhook it from the bike. I'll push it over to my wet bay and I fill her up. And I always fill it up, well, the first load, first time I've done it with my e-bike, it worked out real good. I took gray over. That was my test run because I didn't want to have a mess. So this run is a load of black, but I topped it off with some gray to clean the hose. So you got to think about what you're doing when you're doing it. Again, take your time going over. They're not supposed to go over, I think, 5 miles an hour with these things or something. I don't know. But we'll get over there. All right, and then we'll get her dumped. So, all right, come on. Gotta get her out on the blacktop. There we go. People in the campground here at Scudic Woods think I'm nuts. I'm an innovator. Big thing with these too is don't let it get carried away on you. That's a lot of weight to stop. Come on, Poopy. Pop the clevis hook out. We'll load her up. All right. If you like this video, hit the subscribe and the bell, and we'll see you in the next one.